I decided to take another long from here. Tried here, but stopped. I'm trying one more time. I see a potential bounce, at least to that 15 minutes candle, so 65. Let's see if we can grab something on that. I'm running 2 contracts. 61, 62, 63, 65. VWAP is 60, 66 is VWAP. So possibly up there. There is obviously this level 61. Could be a problematic. It's looking decent, 688. Good looking candle. Very thick volume everywhere here. This could create something positive. We can go higher. Straight is very short. Middle very short. Big boys are not as short as you might think. And I saw a lot of buying there on diamond sales before 15, 20, 12. So let's see if we can run this 2 contracts a little bit higher. 62, 63, 65. Yeah, should buy that dip. Just patience now. It is 12 o'clock. So it's kind of just before the lunch. Lunch is already upon us. But let's see if they're gonna push. Very shallow bounce. That was 1000 candle. 1000. I'm gonna hold this a little bit because they might. That's not good. It's not looking too good. Can get lower.
So the dollar extending gains versus the yen, hitting the highest since April, last up around 0.4% at 158.77 yen.
Oh shit, dollar's pushing higher. That's not good. We're trading against the dollar right now. We do have this liquidity at 61. Now I'm looking at that. I'll try to get out here. I don't think it's lunchtime chop. Might not be a chop, might be a dump. 11 past. This is iceberg here. 60, 58 to 50. It's an iceberg. They're holding. They keep adding into this position on the short side. Yeah. Okay, the squeezed. Let's see. We close one.
Order canceled.
We hold the other one. Let's see if we can push. Oh, one tick. I need one more tick. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this a little bit longer now.
Stop
No.
fill.
Okay, I think we're gonna go lower now. They allowed that there was this 59 or 58, 50 iceberg. They allowed that iceberg to load. Now we should dump, to be honest. I mean, that's a very, very possible short. And the question is how deep we're gonna go. But I would not be surprised if we dump it pretty deep. Or am I wrong? Yeah, I might be wrong. Yeah, I think I'm wrong. Definitely not the best entry. But I always do that. Just jump on something very quickly because I see And the fact that we didn't push high, we just pushed one tick above, it did allow them to get long one more time, and we have 42 seconds, and we're going to be breaking that 15 minutes candle at the bottom, I think. It means we could really go low. Okay, how far can we drop? We can really go. Down here. 56. I don't know. At the same time.
The pound hitting a 5-week low against the dollar. Last down around 0.4%.
2 legs down. I think I'm wrong. Might go down and grab that now. And then we're gonna go up. I could collect that 15 minutes. $57, $56. Yeah. Something here. Really. But I'm wrong. Too early. Way too early. And the position is at the wrong place. Big boys are actually buying 385. But I still want this final drop into, let's say, 57. Yeah. Maybe even lower. Let's see. I'm gonna leave this. There was some big boy was just uploading shorts here. I could see it was a. Well, we took him. $55, $57. Nah, can't be greedy. It's like a final flash to downside, really. That's what I need.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna add you. Final flash to the downside. Yeah, let's do this like that. I'm gonna close one here.
Order submitted.
We'll hold the rest. See how far we're gonna go. Drop.
Order
Let's
canceled.
to close because I don't know if we're not gonna reverse now. $54, $53, $52 even. Why not? Why not? Still holding this level. Bit of pegging. Let's see if we're gonna get continuation to the downside now. Looks like we are. 53, 52, 51, 50 even. Let's hold. Let's hold this thing. Mhm. Could go to 50. Look at that. Looks promising, this level. We have liquidity, 51 even. Let's just leave it. Hold this.
S&P 500 extending losses, just down 0.1% now.
Order
Oh,
filled.
let's take it.
Analysts
I
noted
can
stocks
see a
also
little bit of
opening to gain
liquidity
traction as
here,
they
but
rally
I
to
think we're gonna
all-time highs,
bounce.
spurred calls for a near-term pullback amid
Uh,
signs of
that was
buyer
okay.
exhaustion.
So you were thinking,
S&P 500 did briefly top 5,500,
okay,
remaining
even
above
lower.
that technical threshold, but that
I have
typically
to keep
hints
my
at an
trades longer.
overstretched market. Wall Street also geared up for Friday's quarterly triple witching, in which derivatives contracts tied to equities, index options, and futures maturing, compelling
Nasdaq
traders
falling,
en
everything
masse
is
to roll
falling.
over their existing positions or to start new ones.
Hit the 50? Yeah, we did hit the 50. So it was $100 more to take. There you go, again, mono. That's
Order
long.
filled.
That is a long, but it's just a cheeky long, really. 53, it's possible. 52. Yeah. This drop was 60, 50, 12 points.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Target
All
filled.
right. Okay. Why? Well, because of buy side liquidity here. Sorry, sell side liquidity here. They did collected it. So whoever was buying the low, look at this drop. 59. 12 points drop. And that is a very, very interesting level for reversal. We still have that lows here. But technically speaking, we did take that with this drop. Now we grab that. I don't really see reason for market to go lower now at this point. We could stay here, kind of build up liquidity. But okay, so let's talk a little bit why I was long here, right? Based on this number, we've been in a profit. Two contracts that was around 50 to 50, 60. Yeah, it was $200 here, almost 175. Could have taken one off. I wanted to take one off here. Then we pushed, I think, second time. Yeah, but I changed my mind. I closed position. I can't remember where I closed this long. I took a loss, I think. Probably I closed it here somewhere. So yeah, I think I closed it somewhere here. Because I realized that there was somebody here. 58, 50. It was really a huge icebreaker. Somebody was pumping price down. Basically, they've been loading shorts. You could see that every single time price tried to go up here on this candle. Couldn't. It just couldn't. It couldn't. This is different. This is very decent long. A lot of volume here on the long side after the drop through London low. There was 2 points drop. We made 3 points drop from London low. All of this was very decent. And look, why I am not holding my shorts. Decent out. So let's come back to this. And so based on 58.25 iceberg, which was here, I decided to short immediately. A little bit too early, because I could have allowed market to kind of pump higher, so I could get a better position. Then I add on this one. Once we start to drop here, I add into my short. We closed this one here because I was a better position. Then we dropped, came back, and it was much easier to hold. Unfortunately, got out too early. 50 was the good exit here in this case. But overall, we have been trading in. We have changed quickly from long to short, which is not an easy thing to do. We realized we're not going to be going higher. Look at that, dumping. And look what Nasdaq is doing as well, dumping. We are dumping, my friend. During the lunch. Right, we're going for this London low now.
Order
And I'm
submitted.
long.
Order filled.
Why am I long? Because that's a London low from which date? 2 days ago. From Tuesday, I think. Yes, we can go lower, but most probable scenario is we will bounce from here. We will bounce from here. We have some fair value gaps here. Look at it. Tap into this fair value gap. No, I'm gonna get
Order
out.
filled.
I'm gonna overstay my welcome here. I think we're gonna. I don't see any liquidity up here yet. We have momentum to the downside. We are creating big deltas on negative deltas, minus 1,500. We did drop into this fair value gap, yes. But look at that. Continuing lower, minus 2,000. So I would like to catch that long. But 35. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, we just tapped into this fair value gap. Let's see what they're gonna do. There is a little bit of liquidity here. Bouncing. Bouncing. Yeah. Beautiful drop. They took, basically they collected all the longs from, which day was that? From the top of the Monday, Tuesday, yeah, whole Monday, Tuesday, and today's action, well, that was long. I'm looking here. Droppage into sell side, London sell side fair value gap here. We have another fair value gap down here. We could get down as we have momentum. We'll see. We'll see. Wow, we're breaking through this fair value gap, ignoring completely, continuing lower. Okay. All right. Probably. $29. How about 29? 30? Is there anybody waiting? It's interesting, the street is minus 1,000 now. The problem with that is once we bounce very fast. It's very difficult to catch that. We did tap into this, let's call it I would say here's order block really. Minor order block. Let's not exaggerate. A 15 minutes candle. So catching a little bit of a bid, but I'm not sure if this is not a short covering. So this goes from 5558. They'll be covering into this 35, yeah, for sure. Dumping. Beautiful push. Okay, so this fair value gap is holding. $56. 36. That's what I meant. 36. So 30 we dropped. Dropping on again. Back into this fair value gap. Hmm. 35, 32. We're going to continue now. Yes, we can. We don't have a lot of resist. There is a little bit of resistance if you look at this here. That volume here. Trapped volume. They didn't sell, they didn't give up, they were shorting. Then yes, we do have a little bit of that's the order block. But are we going there or not? It is. Can't grab that. Okay, catching bid here. Second time. Let's get space to 42. 47 even. Vegan boy stepping in, pegging. So somebody is interested in buying that.
Order
I'm gonna buy
filled.
here.
Order filled.
2. We'll try to catch something very quickly. We'll actually do this.
Order submitted.
Sell here. Just sell one.
Order cancelled.
Hold the other one. And let's ride it. So what was the reason to get long? Pegging on Bookmap here. They have been pegging. That means that they were buying on the buy side a lot of buyers. I'm not saying we finished. There's still a lot of 45 liquidity. 46, 47. Let's see if they're gonna squeeze on this candle. Oh, we're gonna reverse first. Should give a little bit of room now. The pegging was somewhat 40, so they should protect that level now. Should protect this level. Buyers. And who knows how far we're gonna go. Now, if we get accepted as price into this range and start to build higher, we can climb back. There's no reason why not. We can climb back up there. But we have to get accepted inside this range. Accept it, come back, hold it, build, push. So obviously that's the place where everybody, was buying. I was buying here as well. Market dropped, pulling down. They gave up the position in panic. Look at this. It was 30 something, 15, 14 on the buy side. Beautiful, beautiful buy. 47, 50. See that? Looks like we can get accepted into this range. If we hold, that's beautiful. We can expect price to go back up here, 56. But it's not going to happen in 1 minute. You have to hold for a long period of time. This fair value gap worked. We had a lot of shorts here holding. Holding from here, position from here. They got out. They helped stop
Fed
the
makes
price.
no bids for 5-year tips.
Let's see. 1,100, 1,200. That's, after panic sell. Bigger numbers. Here's the confirmation. 600. Nothing done here.
Do you want to stay
Only
up to date
liquidity
with the
out there.
latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of
47,
Pro
50.
years worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Nice. Push to 50, I guess. Yeah, this is where kind of overhang liquidity, which has been taken recently, is still holding. So I will try to get out somewhere here. Like as a push into this liquidity, which has been taken only just now. Some of those guys, they're still hoping for the price to come back. Which means we could push there. Okay. A little bit of pullback. That's okay. There is if we drop, that's a good place to end. Somewhere here.
Order submitted.
At 11 more minutes to 4 hours, so they can hold here for a while and then push. Well, it's important that we have been accepted in this range. Anything above London sell side. It's good.
So in 10 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, the US due to sell $21 billion in a 5-year tip sale. The prior bid to cover was 2.58. The prior high yield was 2.242%.
Mm-hmm. Let's go and get that 50.
BMO Capital
Oh,
Markets
come on.
Target order
cooling
canceled.
inflation trend may have lessened the perceived value of inflation protection at this stage in the cycle.
We got that.
Other negatives for this auction include the Fed's unwavering commitment
So
to
that's,
establishing price stability, while
two
positives include
trades
crude oil
based
prices
on,
rebounding to the highest
obviously,
since late April. Hartman said in a note for BMO Capital.
two trades based on bookmap. First one, I realized we might not go higher because somebody was loading shorts. Again, I got out too early. Look at, I need to be more patient because I left 48, 49, 1 point. Okay, it's not that bad. Based on bookmap, somebody was uploading a lot of shorts into this candle. Because usually after 1000 we should be going up. Footprint shows you 1000 on a 3 minutes candle and looks like this when it's full of volume. You got to go long into this thing, so that's why I added into it. We dropped. I took a little short. I took a bit of. It was hard to close that long, but I did. And I noticed it's 58. I said, no, we're dumping. Immediately jumped on it. I think here, yes. Then I add, and then we dropped. So again, when I got long here, you might think, oh shit, the guy is going long into this, double top kind of scenario here on the shorter time frame. First of all, we have reached this fair value gap. We went for it, but if you notice, we never closed below. We have never closed below. And somebody was pegging here again at 40, 25, 50. This is why I got long. 2 contracts, immediately took one off. Should have held a little bit. It's 1 point. That would be better. 3/4. Basically, just in front of that resistance. Trapped long C. Initially, then we pushed high on the second one, held it, good. As you can see, they are dumping right now. Why? Because we had trapped longs here from Tuesday, I think. Yeah, that's from Tuesday. This is RTH, so we don't have electronic data here. And they kept that long. They never got out. They never sold. This candle at 12:30 New York time took them out. And that's why we're coming back. They're getting out. So that's it. I think I'm done here. So take care, guys, and see you on Monday, as I said. All the best.